My name is Raze.
Colin Plant.
We are L&R. A new album just came out. It's called L&R. And this song is called Last Night.
Check it out.
It's soulful on me.
I'm gonna try. You call me in the morning, didn't take the call. Thanks for not north now. Travel up that wall. Yeah. Take better than finger. Yeah, yeah. It was out. Feelings I was think of. Watch me around. Yeah, yeah. Where'd you sleep last night? Yeah. I did it. When the glass is empty, lipstick on the rim is the color maker. Want you would you let me eat? Yeah. I've been playing this game with you so long, I like it. Let me know.
Let me know.
I gotta go.
Gotta go.
I don't come home in the morning. I wanna know where you slept last night. Where you sleep last night? Yeah. I did it. Yeah. Hold on. Talk to him, man.
Yeah. You got an attitude staring at me like I'm the one that did wrong. Got me sitting in this chair feeling like a straight sucker, wondering where the heck you is. First the clock hit 4, and then it got to round 5. And at first I was concerned, but all the times I've been burned, I know I'm waiting on a lot. Cause when that clock ticked to 6, my tune shifted. Dude drunk and confused on the couch with these kids and thinking about what you're doing and who is you doing with. And here you go through that door smelling like some men's cologne. No, baby, I ain't going for it. You don't respect me, not at all. Yeah, I know. Secure the promises and all of my luggage. That's all the times I let your body rock and I want you. Not to play with my feelings and not to mess with emotions. Gotta put the stress and now I'm hella chain smoking. Never ask you where you going, but I'm asking where you been. And where the heck you slept, you looked me dead in my face and said you did. Nah. Said you did.